Welcome to all of you. This is me, Abdul Rahman Gani, student of advanced level who is standing in front of you, and I am here to tell you something about how to improve our society. As you all guys know, whenever we see the videos of foreign country, they are behaving with their girls within a polite way. They are maintaining their society with the good way, and when we see our society, what's going on here? Just bad thing. Boys are harassing the girls. Boys are not doing good things with the girl. Boys are not respecting the girls. The two things which we need to improve our society, the first is education and the second is our nature, is the way of speaking. You know, if we wanna make our society better, first we have to make ourselves better. If we just think that I will tell him to be better, we will tell them to do this thing we are not doing but they are doing, there is no benefit for this. In this way we cannot make our society better. So first of all, we have to make ourselves better. Like if we are thinking that this is wrong thing, so first we have to improve ourselves. We have to convince ourselves to do not do the thing which is wrong for ourselves and for our society. If we do start ourselves by doing good things, if we stop ourselves from the bad things, we will make ourselves better. And in this way, when our child, when our juniors see us, they will learn from us that how to live the life. Like if in a home a father is sitting in the home, someone come from outside, knock the door, he said please send your father, and you come to your home, ask from your father that someone is calling you, what to do now, and your father said that tell him or tell him not, there is no father in my home, he is sleeping or he is not at home. If this happens in our home, so how will the child get to know about the bad and good things? A child is a child means the first teacher of a human is their parents. He learns from their parents that what to do. If our parents do salam to others, we will do salam to others. If our parents talk in a polite way with others, we will talk in a polite way with others. Like I am elder brother of my brother. If I talk with someone and if I abuse him or anyone, then they will do the same thing. And if I talk in a polite way, if I be good with others, then they will be good with others, obviously. And I have a story for you. There were two friends. One is educated with good manners and one is uneducated who do not have manner, who disrespect others. They just live together in the same streets. This is the home of the educated person friend and this is the home of the uneducated person friends. An uneducated friend take the garbage of his home and throw it in the front of the gate of the educated person. But when he come to the home, he see that there is garbage in front of my home. He just ignore it and send the food to his friend's house. This happened for 6 months. Then his uneducated friend thinks that what is he doing? He is a stupid man. I am throwing garbage in front of his home and he is sending food to me. Then after some time they meet together at the Karyana shop. An uneducated friend asked from the educated person that you are a stupid man. What are you doing? I am throwing garbage in front of your home and you are sending food to me. The educated person said, if we have the thing, so we can give the thing. Means if I have food, I have manners, that's why I am giving you manners, I am respecting you. The thing is that if we have respect, we will give respect. And in this story, the uneducated friend learned from him that he is doing good things and he feel very shy. He was nervous in front of him because this is the thing. If someone show our reality, if I am speaking that I am better, I am that, this is not thing. This is not the thing. If someone show me myself, then I will be getting the thing that how I am, and then after that I will be able to speak good and to be better. And in this way, for making our society better, we have to improve ourselves. We have to improve ourselves, like just if we make our home clean, then the other will make their home clean, and in this way the society will be clean. Like that, if we make ourselves better, then the other will make their self better, and in this way the society will be better in after some time. So that was my speech, and I want you guys to follow my steps to make yourself better. So please thank you.